Buffer is a popular social media management tool that helps streamline posting, engagement, and analytics across multiple platforms. Here's how to use Buffer for social media management. Sign up and connect accounts. Create a Buffer account and connect your social media profiles by authorizing Buffer to access your accounts. Set up your posting schedule. Go to the Schedule tab to define your posting schedule. Set times for each day of the week when you want your post to go live. Buffer allows you to customize schedules for different social media platforms. Create and add posts. Use the Queue tab to draft and schedule posts. You can create text updates, upload images, and include links. You can also customize posts for each platform if needed. Monitor engagement. Check the Analytics tab to track post performance, including engagement metrics like likes, shares, and comments. Analyze these metrics to understand what content resonates with your audience. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages directly from Buffer's Engagement tab to manage interactions efficiently. Adjust strategy. Use insights from analytics to refine your social media strategy, improve content, and optimize posting times.